everyone. Today we will continue our learning, and today the topic is the more command. And let's go open your terminal. In this tutorial I use Fedora 35 Workstation, and for the terminal I will use Tilix. What is more command? We can see the definition of more command from the manual page. Let's see the definition. More is file perusal filter for CRT viewing. Description: more is a filter for paging through text one screenful at a time. This version is especially primitive. Users should realize that less provide more. Emulation plus extensive enhancement. In the next video, we will talk about less command. But before that, we need to know the more command. Okay, let's try the more command. Actually, I already prepare a file for this more command. This is the file. Wait, I will move the file .txt to directory 1. Okay, so it's easier for me to see the file. Okay, let's try. In the last video, we always use cat command for printing a text file like this. Cat test.txt, and we cannot go up and down. So today we will try the more command. So it will be like this: more test.txt. So like the manual page, more is a filter for paging through text one screenful at a time. So this is one page, and we can go to the second page like this, and then we can go to the next page. Okay, it's different with cat command, because with cat we can only see one page, so the command will print all of the text. It will be a problem if the text is too long. Okay, maybe you are curious what is inside the test.txt. This is our file, so I just put the line number in here. Sorry, this is the line number. So we can see when we print this file, we can see from what line until what line. Okay. Wait, I think in the end of this page, we need to remove. Okay. So there's no 110. Okay, let's continue the learning. Okay, and after you see the default output of the more command, now we will try this option. The first one is -d. So from the default like this, there's no display, so the user will confuse what should we do with this page, maybe like that, yeah. And with the -d, there will be a notification at the end of the page like this. Wait, like this. Press space to continue, Q to quit. So the user will see this notification, and maybe the user will press the space bar to continue, and after the user reach the end of the line, the more command will exit automatically. I will not try all of the option. I will choose some of them, some of the options, not all of the options. So after -d, we will try the line -n. Specify the number of lines per screen full. Maybe the more command will display as much as the line that we demand. Example, more -n. I will input 10. It means 10 line only per 10 line. You can see that the more command will display only 10 line. And if we go to the next page and we go the previous page, If we go to the previous page, the number will become messy, I think. So go to the next page. Okay, you can try yourself. And the minus number, oh, I think it's the same with the minus n. And plus number, start displaying each file at line number. Okay, let's try the plus. More plus I will input 100. Okay, wait, plus 100. So the more command will display the text from the line 100. Okay, let's try again from line 10. Okay, and now we will try this option. The string to be searched in each file before starting to display it. So for example, maybe I don't know either. Maybe if we input like this, more plus the string, for example 100 text test.txt. So the more command will display that contain the 100. So it is the 100. Why I didn't input the A because all of the line has the A. Okay, and another option, I will try the minus p. Do not scroll, instead clear the whole screen and then display the text. Let's try test dot more test.txt minus p. Oh, we cannot see the effect of the minus p, so I will combine with the other option. So more minus p minus n means specify the number of line per screen full. So for example, I will input 10 test.txt. So only 10 lines, and then okay, so the more command will not print below this screen, and the minus P makes the more command clear the whole screen and then display the text like this. So I think it's good, yeah. It's different with this command more minus and then see, you can see the difference. Okay, and then so I hope you can conclude yourself the more command, and I think you can try the option yourself, so you will have your own conclusion. And this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for supporting me, and exit. Don't forget to subscribe for supporting me, and just click like as a simple action for me to know that this video is useful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.